air ducts corroded or rusted. Fixing them right can seriously improve your home's airflow and save you cash on energy bills. So, first thing, check all your metal air ducts for any signs of rust or corrosion. These spots mess with how air moves around your house. If you spot rust, don't just ignore it because it can spread and cause leaks, which means your heating or cooling won't work as good. You want to replace the rusty sections with new metal ducts, but if the rust isn't too bad, you can use a rust inhibitor coating to stop it from spreading. Make sure the coatings you pick are made from metal and safe for indoor use, so no weird smells or chemicals get in your air. Also, seal up any joints or gaps with duct mastic or metal tape to keep everything airtight. This helps your HVAC system work better and last longer. Regularly clean your ducts and keep an eye out for moisture because dampness speeds up rusting. And hey, if this sounds like too much, getting a pro to check and fix your ducts is a smart move. It's worth it to keep your air fresh and energy bills down. One of the biggest mistakes people make with corroded or rusted air ducts is ignoring the problem until it gets worse. This only leads to bigger leaks and higher energy costs, so fixing or replacing rusted sections early is key. Another common slip-up is using the wrong materials like regular paint instead of rust inhibitor coatings. That won't stop corrosion and can cause more damage over time, so always go for products designed for metal ducts. Last, some folks forget to seal duct joints after repairs, which lets air escape and wastes energy. Sealing with duct mastic or metal tape fixes this and keeps your system running smooth. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who need help finding trusted local contractors for duct repair or replacement. Contractors also get a solid way to connect with real customers looking for their skills, making it easier to get work done right.